bit and back it down.
Yeah.
Just let me know when you want it and I'll bring it over.
Okay.
You can use that.
Taking the fourth blade off. Yeah, that's the one. Now do I dare to do the same with one blade? Let's do it. Switch cap is a little bit, but it's okay. Don't worry, I'm not dropping this.
A bit harder to hold up, and it
No, it's easier.
was easier.
It's just a screw. Oh, it's never went this fast before. I'm already starting to like this.
Ta.
It's a spinner. Now to take the last blade off.
Here's your friend, come on. One of whose friend, mine?
There's a cat. There's Patty. Patty, hey. Hey, Patty. Hey,
Well, can we discuss
girl.
it? It's 6 in the morning when we're supposed to discuss that.
Patty,
Where's the
Patty's
hole?
watching us. She's watching everything that's going to happen.
Oh, are you videoing me?
Patty. And I went to Patty for a second.
Look, our next project should be this.
Because we don't have any pictures. Okay, now.
This. You think this is that?
What are you doing?
You just know how well it's. She said you got a mess in your bathroom, Susie. She wants you to clean out your hamper.
We're videoing.
Nathan, you just spilled your Cheetos all over the place.
Great.